A stay in Waikiki, Sheraton Princess Kaiulani, a hotel in the heart of the area. Breakfast at the hotel, simple and easy. A renovated room, clean and practical. A small fitness center, laundry on site. And the pace of Waikiki. Right in the center of the area. This is the main lobby. The lobby feels simple and open. There are few casual spaces on the ground floor. I'm staying in the Ainahau Tower. It's a straightforward walk to the room. Room 960. This is a room, a renovated pool view guest room. The layout is simple and functional. Power outlet and USB ports are easy to access. Everything is within reach. This is the other side of the room. A compact desk and a TV setup. Simple and practical. Basic refreshment are provided. There is also a coffee maker. Everything you'd expect for a short stay. The room temperature is easy to adjust. The bathroom is clean and well maintained. Basic bathroom amenities are provided. Towel and essentials are neatly arranged. Everything is compact and functional. There is a bathtub with a shower. There is safe in the room. The closet space is simple and enough. A small fridge is also provided. This is a floor layout. Stepping out on the Lanai. Straight ahead, the view opens towards the city. To the right, there is a partial view of the ocean. It's not a wide ocean view, but it has a nice sense of place. As the light changes, the atmosphere slowly shifts. At night, the pool area becomes more quiet. Most of the movement fades away. Outside, Waikiki State Library. In the morning, the Lanai feels brighter. Breakfast is served at Splash Bar Waikiki. The setting is relaxing and casual. The continental breakfast is included for qualified Marriott Bonvoy rate members. This is a traditional continental plate. Pastry and bread, fresh fruits, and yogurt. There is also a hot continental option. It's simple, but enough to start the day comfortably. Walking towards the pool. The pool sits at the center of the hotel. It's open and easy to access. The fitness center is called Sheraton Fitness. It's compact but functional. laundry facilities available on the site. Instructions are clearly displayed. Laundry soap is available here as well. A microwave is also provided. This stay felt comfortable and easy. Not high-end, but practical in the right ways. Especially for spending time in Waikiki, it's a place that fits the pace of the area. If you enjoyed this stay, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Bye.